Alright, what's up guys? I'm Bradley. This is my 99 Saleen Mustang. I've been restoring this car for about a year or so. This car was pulled from actually a house just a couple miles up the street. It sat for about 3 years. Previous owner thought that the head gasket was blown. Luckily it was not that. At least I don't think it hadn't blown it yet. They parked it, like I said, thought it was dead. I ended up picking this car up. I paid absolutely nothing for this car. It was 80 bucks for me to rent a U-Haul trailer and about $15 part to get it running again. Just required a lot of reassembly of like the intake and all that, charging up the battery, and she fired right up. So it's just a normal 2-valve motor with a little Eaton M90 blower on it with a Saleen logo pretty much. So she's pushing around 350 horsepower or so from the crank. Nothing crazy, but for the time was pretty respectable. It has a built 470W in there. Not my choice of transmission, but somebody put it in there at some point. The car was a 5-speed originally, based off of what the VIN information says, but I have no idea. This car is like a million cars put together at this point. It already came with the Brembo brakes on there, which is great. The interior is most of the way done. We just did some new Corbeau Sportline seats. I just finished re-dyeing most of the interior because the previous owner painted it. It used to be tan, they painted it black. It looked like trash, so I figured I'd try to do it the right way. Moving around to the back, we've got an off-road X-pipe paired with a SR Performance Catback. It does not sound too crazy. It's nice, and it's a nice balance between aggressive but not like going deaf, like that thing over there.
Driving a Saleen. Feels like a go-kart with these seats. These seats are pretty comfortable. I'm so far down.
I will also say it slips going from 3rd to 4th. Just don't be alarmed by it. Just keep the throttle down. It'll catch.
Right. Definitely feels more like my car than that Coyote did. It's so strange, the automatic. I'm just not used to it at all.
Oh man, you're barely giving it some.
Yeah, I'm just kind of getting used to it.
No, I got you. You're good, man.
Working.
I got you. See that slip I was telling you about? It's whack, isn't it?
That slip?
Yep.
That's terrible, man.
But it pulls, doesn't it? It isn't like, you know, having 3...
It sure sounds fucking badass. It definitely needs gears. Like the acceleration, it feels so dragged out. Like this car, and don't take offense to this.
Oh no, I'm not, man. Trust me.
This thing has a lot of potential. Lower 2-valve, you know, and it sounds great.
That first gear is aggressive, isn't it?
It freaked me out, yeah. The first gear feels pretty good, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, I have an apology to make. I lied to you guys. This isn't a honest review of a S281 Saleen, rather an honest review of Bradley's S281 Saleen. The thing is that this car isn't a good representation of what a Saleen Mustang really is. But that doesn't mean it's not a great car. This car has many quirks, many problems with the aesthetics, with the mechanical nature of the car, but you can't complain. Bradley got this car from free, and it's definitely came a long way from what he started with. I'm not complaining at all. This car definitely has potential, and when it comes to the power aspect of the car, it's not all there. I feel like this car definitely has some potential when it comes to the performance, but besides that, the look of this car is beautiful. This is a delicious car. If it were my car, I would put a manual transmission in it, 373 gears, and hit up the interstate with the top down. If you guys want any more information on the car, check the description below. Besides that, if you want to know the full story on this car, what Bradley went through when he got it, and how he got it for the price he did of nothing, definitely go check out the video on Justin SVT's channel on this car. Definitely an interesting story, and he actually did a video on my car too if you want to see that while you're there. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. And yeah guys, thanks for watching.